Fuel prices hiked once again 15 times in a row by 35 paisa for petrol and diesel by 60 paisa. Petrol price now went up to 7.97 per litre and diesel at 8.88 per litre in last 15 days. The farmers of Kurkurni Arambol field submerged during monsoon blames for former CM for shutting ancient water path while repairing his salt pan. Coronavirus cases in India has crossed the 4 lakh mark after recording biggest one-day spike of 15,413 cases, 1 lakh cases in last 8 days. Rumbling in law and order structure in Goa, another murder was reported at Arpara on the heels of armed assault on the houses of Santa Cruz, wherein one person shot dead, cops in dark. Unconcerned or what? Asked the citizens. Hi, this is Clinton D'Souza, and now the news in detail. Once again, the fuel price have been hiked. This time, petrol is 35 paisa and diesel by 60 paisa. In last 15 days, petrol price has gone up to rupees 7.97 per litre and diesel by 8.88 per litre. Petrol will now cost about rupees 79.22 and diesel by 76.24 per litre in Goa. Even as the shadow of corona has put the budget of people under tremendous stress due to the cuts in salaries and retrenchments. The hike in petrol and diesel price saw huge queues at the petrol station across the state on Sunday. Apparently, the hike is due to the state-owned oil companies returning to the normal price of the daily reviews following a 12-week pause. According to the notifications from the state-run Indian Oil Corporation, the country's largest fuel dealer, what's the reactions to the hike?
आता हे कंटिन्यूअस वाढत गेलं ते 7 रुपया 72 पैसे पेट्रोल झाले आणि 8 रुपया 40 पैसे डिझेल झाले प्लस 2.25 रुपया तुझे पहिले वॅट वाडयल्ले आमचे गोवा गव्हर्मेंटान म्हणजे ऑलमोस्ट 10 प्लस झाले दोन्ही डिझेल ऑलमोस्ट 8 रुपीज 40 पैसे सेंट्रलाचे वाढले त्या भायर 2 रुपया 25 पैसे आमचे गोवा गव्हर्मेंटाचे वाढले पेट्रोल 772 वाढले आफ्टर हे कंटिन्युअस आणि प्लस 2 रुपया 25 पैसे गोवा गव्हर्मेंटाचे
ते रेट मातशी देवपाचो तेगेलो जाता
ह्या दिसान गिरायक बी आसा
ह्या दिसा गिरायक बिरायक काय ना रे बाबा कितें सांगपाचें भरपूर त्रास काडटाय आमी कांय वेळ ना हय पेट्रोल जाल्यार ते त्रास जाता ना रे ते पयलींचे कितें आशिल्ले ते 20 रुपया जाल्यार 20 रुपया म्हाका 30 रुपया जाय पेट्रोलाक पयशे जायना काय ना पेट्रोलान त्रास आमी तो भरपूर त्रास काडटा
कस्टमर तुमकां पयलींचोच रेट दितात
आं
कस्टमर तुमकां पयलींचोच रेट दितात न्यू रेट दिना
कस्टमर पयलींचेच रेट दितात ते कितें सांगता पेट्रोल वाडल्यार तांकां काय हें जायना म्हणटा
आमचं पेट्रोल जे वाडटा डेली वाडत आसता कितें करपाचें आमी आतां धंदोय कोणी चलना पूण भाड्याकार बसनात भाड्याकार बसला तरी चलता कितें घरा कडेन दितलो म्हणून रोखडे भीक मागपा पडले आतां गव्हर्मेंट कांय दिना आतां खंयचे आमी पयशे मोडपाचे आतां एक तर कोणी कितें दिता एक चलता गव्हर्मेंटान कितें तरी हेल्प करपा जाय आमकां न्ही
पायलटांक तुमकां जाय
पायलटान आमकां हे स्कीम कांयच दिवंक ना वयले इन्शुरन्स टॅक्स सगळो वाडलेलो आहा कितको इन्शुरन्स डबल वाडला आमचो पयलीं कितें मेळटालें आमकां दी म्हणा घे म्हणा कितें आतां कांयच ना कोणूच हें करना हेल्पूच करना
हे मरे भाडे चड आसले आतां लॉकडावन जाला पळय भाडे करना आतां पेट्रोल वाडयला म्हणजे फायदो ना लॉस ना फायदो दिसा 150-200 जायना लॉस तेका म्हणटा पेट्रोल मातशें कमी केल्यार कितें उरता ना पळयता कस्टमर ना लॉस
लॉकडावना खातीर कस्टमर ना
लॉकडावन म्हणजे कस्टमर ना काय 200-150-200 केल्यार काय ना घट घातले आमकां उपास वयचे पडटा घरा काय ना पयलीं लॉस ते लोक म्हणटात तुमी कितें हेल्प केल्यार जाता मातशें कमी ना फायदो आनी वचून ते उपास न्हिदचे पडटा पयशे काय ना न्ही
दीस वाडत आसा
इट्स नॉट गुड न्हू बरें न्ही कितें अशें म्हारग जाल्यार तुगे डी कांय वाडयना
वयर बॅरलाची रेट कमी आसा हिंगा वयर बॅरल रेट कमी आसा
बट ओनली हियर इट इज लायक दॅट न्हू.
It is Hiru Mahale, Ramesh Naik Rao, Sandeep Tuekar and Aniket Narvikar for Goa 365 in Vasco, Margao and in the capital city, Panaji. The coronavirus cases in India has crossed 4.10 lakh mark on Sunday after the country recorded its biggest one-day spike of 15,413 cases. 1 lakh cases were reported in India within 8 days. The death toll has jumped to 13,254 and 2.27 patients lakhs have recovered.
A single day jump of 15,413 COVID-19 cases were reported in India. In last 24 hours, around 306 deaths were reported and 13,925 patients have recovered. India has reported 4,10,461 COVID-19 positive cases till date, and the active cases have crossed 1.69 lakh mark. 13,254 deaths are reported and more than 2.27 lakh patients have recovered. Here are the 5 worst hit coronavirus states. Maharashtra is leading with 1.28 lakh cases, followed by Tamil Nadu 56,845, Delhi 56,746, Gujarat 26,680 and Uttar Pradesh 16,594 cases. More than 1 lakh COVID-19 cases were reported worldwide in single day. The COVID-19 cases have crossed 89 lakh mark. 4.67 lakh deaths are reported and more than 47 lakhs have recovered. Here are the 5 worst coronavirus hit nation. United States is leading with more than 22 lakh cases, followed by Brazil 10 lakh cases, Russia 5.76 lakh cases. India is 4th worst hit nation with 4.10 lakh cases and UK with 3 lakh cases. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
Well, Goa seems to be having some issues with the law and order along with the rising cases of COVID-19 corona cases. After the shootout at Santa Cruz at midnight on Saturday, a 28-year-old Vishwanath Gawas from Dodamarg was stabbed to death during a fight between 2 hotel staff at Arpora. One Ram Bharose from UP has been arrested in this connection. All the workers had sat down for dinner after work. While having dinner, there was a heated argument between Ram Bharose and Vishwanath. Ram then attacked Vishwanath with knife. Vishwanath later scrambled to his injuries. Anjuna police has arrested Ram.
ना म्हाका जेन्ना ही खबर आयल्या तेन्ना ही शूट आउट म्हणटाच म्हाका एक शॉक कसो जालो. हे असल्यो गोश्टी जबर गोंयांत केन्ना घडोवंक ना म्हणून. हो करून जेन्ना सांताक्रूज गांवांत उबे दांड्यार म्हणटा थिंगा शूट आउट जालें म्हणून ही एक जावन आसा एक दुखाची खबर. आदी आमच्या गांवांत अशें चलतालें पूण आतां जबरचो आवाज नाशिल्लो. पूण आयज जेन्ना हांवें इतलें पुलिसांक फ्रिडम दिलां तेन्ना पुलिसां वांगडा म्हाजें इंटरफियरन्स केन्ना ना. तेन्ना आयज बरी गोश्ट म्हणल्यार पुलिसांनी विदीन 24 आवर्स ही शूट आउट केस म्हणटा ती ट्रॅक करून ताणें तांकां अरेस्टूय केले. आनी इतल्यारूच आमचें न्हू म्हणचें की तेणी ह्या फुडें कारवाय सारकी करची. हे जे एंटी एलिमेंट्स आहा ही गुंडाइजम चलता हाजेर हांव निशेध मागता. आनी जेन्ना हांवें सीएमा कडेन डिस्कस केला त्या प्रमाणे आमचो हे फ्युचर प्लॅन्स आसतलो हाचेर. ह्या फुडें अशें चल्लें जाल्यार ही भिरांकूळ जावन आसतली. आनी हांव हाचेर IGPकूय सांगूंक सोदता ह्या माध्यमांतल्यान की तुमी तुमच्या पुलीस ऑफिसरांक तुमी सारकी तांकां फ्रिडम दिवची आनी हें सगळें बंद जावचें. म्हाका याद येता जेन्ना रवी नायक चीफ मिनिस्टर आसलो तेन्ना सगळे एंटी एलिमेंट्स बंद जाल्ले. तशें हांव चीफ मिनिस्टराकय मागता तुवें हेजेर कडक कारवाय दवरची, कडक विजील दवरचें आनी हो पीस सांताक्रुजान आनी आख्ख्या गोंयांत तुवें हाडचो म्हणून.
Meanwhile, the police arrested 9 in connection with the Santa Cruz shootout. Marcelino Diaz, Ronnie D'Souza, Samuel D'Souza, David Araujo, Miguel Araujo, Frankie Nadal, David D'Souza and 2 minors were also arrested. The police have seized a local-made pistol from Marcelino. The gang had attacked the house of one Bepari at 3 in the morning on Saturday, defying curfew and cocking a snook at 144 prohibited orders. In assault, one of their own gang members got shot. It's a Goa 365 Bureau Report. We will take a short break. Please stay with us. Welcome back. The former Chief Minister of Goa, Lakshmikant Parsekar, is in the eye of the storm once again. This time he is facing allegation that he has shut the ancient water path while repairing his salt pan, leading to floods of fields in Turunki Arambol, according to the local farmers. They said they can't cultivate crops as the fields are completely submerged. The farmers have warned consequences if the issue is not solved.
However, former Mandre MLA Lakshmikant Parsekar have refuted all these allegations. He says this water flows down from the hills. As the nearby rivulet is filled with mud and stone, the water goes into the fields.
शेत आम्ही आता कितले पिढयो गेले आमच्यो त्यो वपात आसात आमचे आजे गेले बापूय गेले आता आमी भुरगे येयले तर आमी ह्या शेतान आमी रोयले 3 पिकां काडली शेत मिरसांगो आनी चवळी हे अळसाणे ते आमी हांगर पिकयता एक्सएम आमचो पार्सेकर हाणें ही उदकाची वाट आपणाचो आगर व्हडलो केलो आनी ही उदकाची वाट बंद केली आनी पारंपारीक आदली आमचे जाणटे पळय आले ते आमचे जाणटे ही आमची तिसरी पिळगी आनी हे शेत जे पळय आमी वपताले 25 शेतकारी ते बुडोवन उडयल्ले आहा तेन्ना आमची इतलीच मागणी सरकारा लागीं की हेचेर लक्ष दिवन हे उदकाची सोय कशी तरी करून आमकां शेतकारांक वाटावपाचें. ह्या रोडाचें जेन्ना रिनोवेशन काम चालू जाल्लें तेन्ना सुद्दां आमी विशय हो PWDन घातलेलो कळ्ळें न्हय पण तेन्ना सुद्दां आमकां प्रॉमीस दिल्लें तेन्ना जेई वाळके आशिल्लो आनी मिनिस्टराचो OSD आसलो आमी तांकां विचारलें की हे पाणयाचें फुडें कितें तर पाणयाचो कांयच तुमकां प्रॉब्लेम जावचो ना जशें पाणी पारंपारीक वयता ते पद्दतीन पाणी वयतलें म्हणून आमी केन्नाच विरोध करूंक ना कारण रोड आसाप म्हणजे डेव्हलपमेंट आसाप हे सगळ्या शेतकऱ्यांनी एक दूरदृश्टी नदरे समोर दवरल्या जेन्ना डिमार्केशनाचो प्रॉब्लेम येयलो प्रत्येक शेतकाराचे जवळ जवळ 30-40 मिटर जागा गेली पण कोणीच ऑब्जेक्शन हाडूंक ना कित्याक कारण एकच मुद्दो तेंच्या फुडें आसलो की तो डेव्हलपमेंट त्याच्या उपरांत प्रत्येक शेतकऱ्याचे हांगा 3-3, 4-4 माड गेले कावाथे गेले कोणीच ऑब्जेक्शन काडूंक ना कारण प्रत्येकान सॅक्रिफायस केलें कित्याक डेव्हलपमेंटा खातीर आनी इतलें आसून सुद्दां जी सुवात जी उरल्या कल्टिवेशनाची ते सुवातीक जर आज असो जर शेतकऱ्यांचे जर उपास मारची पाळी येता जाल्यार हांगासरले 25 शेतकरी हांगा वगीर रावचे ना आमी सगळ्यांक निवेदन दिल्लें आसा.
तुर्केळचें शेत आनी मदीं रस्तो आणि रस्त्याच्या PWD रोड MDR 18 त्या रस्त्याच्या पलीकडे म्हजो आगर जे आगर अबंडंट असले गेली अनेक वर्सां गेली 2-3 वर्सां हांव मोकळो जाल्यामुळे अबंडंट असलेले म्हज्यो प्रॉपर्टीज हांव डेव्हलप करता इम्प्रूव करता प्लांटेशन करता आणि तेतून हांवें तेची डागडुजी केल्या मदीं रस्तो आसा तो रस्तो PWD ह्या दिसांनी बांदलो फाटल्या 1 वर्साभरा पयलीं 5-6 म्हयन्या पयलीं रस्त्याची हायट जाल्यामुळे आदी जे पाणी शेतांत एक्युमुलेट जाय आणि चोहो कडेन वता आसतना म्हज्याय आगरांत वचा ते रस्त्याची हायट जाल्यामुळे ते वचना पूण हे शेतांत जे पाणी आसा ते शेतांत पावसाचें पडलेलें न्हय तर हे शेता वयर एक डोंगर आसा त्या डोंगरा वयर प्लॅटो आसा त्या डोंगरा वयलें पाणी जें सकयल येता ते वचपाक PWDच्या MDR 18 रोडाक एक कन्वर्टूय आसा त्या कन्वर्टासून ते वचूंक जाय डोंगरा वयलें पाणी त्या कन्वर्टा कडेन वचपाक जे वचूंक जाय ते निग्लिजन्साक लागून मदीं झाडकां आयल्यान माती व्हांवल्या आनी शेतांत वता शेतकऱ्यांक जर ती काळजी आसलेली जाल्यार त्या कन्वर्टा कडेन धाडूंक जाय.
Local MLA Dayanand Sopte inspected the site and assured them that he would sort out the issue. Deputy Collector and other officials were present during the inspection.
उदक ज्या पद्दतीन दर पावसाक वयताले हे उदक ह्या वर्सा हे सायडीन जे कोण आसात तांच्यांनी कितें केलां तें तुमकां दिश्टी पडटा जेणे करून जी रस्ते म्हणजे उदक वचपाक जी वाट आसली कलवड जो आसलो तो ब्लॉक जाल्लो आसा जेणे करून उदक वचपाक वाट ना म्हणून आज ही परिस्थिती शेतकऱ्यांचेर हे संकट येयल्लें आसा जाता तितले बेगीन हांगा जो उदक वचपाक कलवड जो आसा जो आज ब्लॉक जाल्लो तो जाता तितले बेगीन ओपन जावचो जेणे करून उदक शेतांतले वयतले आनी शेतकऱ्यांक खऱ्या अर्थान जे न्याय जाय मागणी ते पुरी जाता हे करच्या खातीर तांच्या सगळ्यांच्या वतीन आमदार ह्या नात्यान जी जबाबदारी कर्तव्य आहा ते आमचे डेप्युटी कलेक्टर मामलेदार परत तांकां याद करून
Mayam farmers are up in arms as their fields are filled with garbage. The farmers have demanded to shut down the underground rivulet before the road which releases water into the fields are steady built in a gutter.
On the occasion of Revolution Day on 18th June, Deputy Chief Minister Babu Kavlekar had appealed the farmers to bring green revolution in Goa. However, government is ignoring basic facilities of the farmers. Many have left agriculture profession complaining it's not feasible. A Mayam farmer, Vishwambar Chari, is struggling to keep this profession alive along with his children. Watch what he has to say.
आणि जी वाली आहा उदीक गटारान वयता उदीक ते गटाराक उपाय आहा तो आर्काक सोडपाचो वालीत मारून वाली सोडल्यावर आपण कोयर हे ना आनी आतां सगळो कोयर कचरो भरलेलो आहा शेतान कवच्यो आहा बाटल्यो आहा सगळ्या सोडणारे तराचे आहा जेन्ना हे करता ते सांगल्या उपरांत करीत ना पोरू तशेंच सांगल्या तेणी करता म्हणून पोरूक पयलें ना आनी आतां केलें ना आतां 2 फावटी येता पंचान सांगले आनी येवंक ना तो 1/2 किलोमिटर रस्त्या वचून उदीक येता पयसून 1/2 किलोमिटर आहा तो रस्तो तर जात्रेचो मळ म्हणटा थंयसून सगळून गटार तो हेजे मेरेन नारायणाचे मोळीन फोडलेलो आहा 50-60 मिटर गेल्या पर्यंत बंद जातली उदीक आनी ते शेत जातले कचरो ताका वयचो ना शेतान आर्काक सोडपाचें उदीक म्हाज्या न्ही तो मानाय घालून हे करता शेत बी करता मानाय घालून कामेर घालून आनी आतां सरकारान कितें करचें म्हाजे कडेन जायना म्हणून कितें आपण मदत करची हे तुजे कडेन मागता आतां भांगोळी हांव 4 वर्सां जालीं येवन वचून आहा आनी म्हाका हे केल्लें आहा टीसी घातलेली आहा जेन्ना हे गव्हर्मेंटान एक्शन घेवची चेडो आहा तो कामाक ना सिरीयस खंय ना ITI केली 2 वर्सां वास्को काडली 2 वर्सां परवरी काडली ITI वास्कोत आनी आतां तो बेकार आहा
पण तो तुका शेतान मदत करता
हय तो मदत करता शेताक.
Chari said 6 years ago main road from Gaokarwada to Chimulwada in Mayam was widened and hot mixed. During the works, the failed fence was damaged. However, authorities built concrete wall in its place, but it collapsed in a few months after its construction.
जेन्ना रस्तो करून येता तेन्ना इंजिनियराक सांगलेलें की म्हाका वालीत मारून दिवची सोबून बांदून शेतान वयता ती उदीक तेन्ना दिता म्हणून सांगलें तेणी आनी मागीर तेणी दुरीक बी घातलो शेतान आमच्या शेतान 2-3 मिटर शेतांतली शेत दुरी घातली रूम केलो रस्तो आनी मागीर निमाणी बांदता म्हणून व्हरलो तो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर उणवलो आनी तो इंजिनियरान सांगलें बांदून आनी दितलो म्हणून जेन्ना तेणी बांदून दिता म्हणून सांगलें आनी ते बांदले आनी मागीर तो बांदूकूच करिना म्हणटून हांवें आनी परत इंजिनियर वचून हें केलें आनी थोडी मागीर हे बांदले शेतांतली वालीत ती वालीत बांदली आनी सकयल बांदलीच ना तेणी मागीर बांदली ना म्हणटून आतां कितलीशीं वर्सां जालीं हांव हें शेत करता म्हाज्या ल्हानपणा पासून जेन्ना हें शेत आजून तगत करता आतां म्हाजे कडेन जायना आनी हांव दुयेंस आहा तेव्हा ताका सांगलें 3 फावटी तरी सांगलें पंचाक जे पंचान सांगलें आपूण करून घेता म्हणून अजून तो पत्तोच ना.
Jawar Barve for Goa 365 from Mayam.
The tension between India and China at LAC might possibly even escalate further. The sources said that India has now planned a different strategy to protect Indian borders amid ongoing standoff between India and China at the LAC. All powers are handed over to the Army, the Navy and the Air Force if both forces clashes once again. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh convened meeting with chiefmen of all three defense services and chiefs of the defense staff Bipin Rawat on Sunday.
The meeting was convened on the eve of Defense Minister Rajnath Singh's visit to Russia. Singh was briefed on the Ladakh situation. All three chiefs of defense are told to closely monitor situation at LAC and C. 20 Indian soldiers were martyred during the standoff between India and China on 15 June. This is the first standoff between two countries at LAC in last 45 years where lives were lost. According to MOU signed between two nations, it was signed by both the countries not to use weapons while patrolling the borders.
We will take a short break. Please stay with us. Welcome back. After continuous bad news and the rise of cases, some sunshine has been witnessed. The government has approved the use of Favipiravir drug to treat mild symptomatic COVID-19 patients. The pharmaceutical company Glenmark has now launched its antiviral Favipiravir drug under the brand's name FabiFlu.
According to the Glenmark Pharmaceuticals, the company has received manufacturing and marketing approval from the country's drug regulator, making FabiFlu the first oral Favipiravir approved medication in India for the treatment of COVID-19. It has shown strong clinical evidence showing good results in patients with mild to moderate symptoms of COVID-19. The clinical improvement was noted across age group of 20 to 90 years. Glenmark said Favipiravir can be used in COVID-19 patients with comorbid conditions such as diabetes and heart disease with mild to moderate COVID-19 symptoms. Samip Narvekar for Goa 365 from Panaji.
The government has decided to establish 1,000 Khelo India centers at district levels across the country. These centers will either be run by past champions or employ them as coaches. The move is to tap into the expertise of the past supporting champions for different levels of grassroots training for athletes and also to ensure sustained sources of income for them in the sports ecosystem. To make sports and sporting careers a more lucrative prospect in India, the Sports Ministry has taken the decision to establish 1,000 Khelo India centers at the district level across the country. The Union Sports Minister Kiren Rijiju said, as the government strives to make India a sporting superpower, one of the things we have to ensure that sports becomes a viable career option for the youngsters. He said the center wants to ensure that anyone who has played sports at the national level has a life of dignity and financial stability. A shortlisting mechanism has been put into place to identify past champions who are eligible to either establish their own academy or work as a coach at the Khelo India Center. The former sports championship across various categories will either run these centers or contribute as coach with an aim to ensure and use their experts and expertise in their respective fields. As these centers, as many as 14 disciplines will be in focus under the identified sports and excellence in Olympics, including archery, athletics, boxing, badminton, football, hockey, shooting, table tennis, weightlifting, and wrestling, among others. It is Clinton D'Souza for Goa 365 in Panaji. And now, as we end this bulletin, let us do some of the visuals of the deepest ring-shaped solar eclipse of this century, which the sun appearing as a necklace of pearls for around 30 seconds during the maximum phase along a narrow corridor running through India and the world. This type of solar eclipse is popularly known as Ring of Fire. Watch. A solar eclipse occurs when the moon, earth and the sun comes in a straight line with the moon between the earth and the sun. Solar eclipse occurs when the moon and the earth comes into contact and then comes closer. Close to noon for a small belt in the North India, the eclipse will turn into beautiful annual. One seen in the moon is not close enough to cover the sun completely. However, unlike a full solar eclipse when the sun is entirely covered with the moon for a brief period during the annual eclipse, the angular diameter of the moon falls short off that of the sun and it fails to cover up the lately completely. As a result, the ring of the sun's disk remains visible around the moon. This is Ramesh Naik Raut and Sandeep Tuekar for Goa 365 in Panaji and Margao. Well, with that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, please log into our website at www.goa365.tv or follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Goa365TV. And also do subscribe to our YouTube channel at Goa365TV or simply download our app on both on your Android and your iPhones to watch it on mobile phones. Until then, keep watching Goa 365.